Hi students, welcome to Financial Accounting video lectures. Today we are understanding the accounting equation, how practically it is. Before that, just we will know what is exactly accounting equation is. Okay, accounting equation is it equates assets to liabilities plus capital. We are following double entry system. Debit is equal to credit. So at any cost, all the assets are equal to liabilities plus capital, which is based on double accounting system, which is depends upon the concept of dual concept. Okay, so what is use of accounting equation? Accounting equation helps preparation of financial statement to understand well and to bring the accuracy among these financial statements. This equation will help us. It is also useful in double entry bookkeeping. This accounting equation is brought from this double entry bookkeeping only, which is depends upon the dual aspect concept. Investment importance. Each and every investor want to know about what is the worth of the company. The net worth of the company is calculated based on the assets minus liabilities. Assets minus liabilities. And income and retained earnings. All incomes were calculated with the help of this accounting equation, which is added to capital and also as well as added to cash. Company worth. Okay, most of the companies are following this accounting equation to identify what is the net worth of the company. This analysis helps them very lot. Okay, so now we are practicing these transactions with for understanding the accounting equation. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We will follow this equation. Assets equal to liabilities plus capital. Okay, next from 4th onwards, we'll follow like our balance sheet. Balance sheet asset side as well as the liability side, how we are writing, that method we will follow. Okay, students. So before that, you please take a notebook, pen, and watch the video. So I am posting, follow the same. First transaction you will understand, next transaction you will little bit you can get a knowledge, third, fourth, like that you can understand well. Any doubts are there, you can put in chat box of YouTube, that may be answered either in live class or immediately once you post that one. Okay, so this is a new method. Earlier method is sir is teaching on board and we are writing from the board itself. Whenever the live doubts are there, lively we can clarify ourselves. But pandemic corona came in between you and me and make us to interact through this platform, try to understand. And the classroom method will be only one time. This method or this will be lifelong whenever it is required. This video is available in YouTube. You can refer n number of times. That is the advantage of technology. Okay, friends. Look at on 1st September date 0109. 1st September invested by owner 4 lakhs. So he invested as capital 4 lakhs. That capital is in the form of cash. Cash is 4 lakhs assets plus liabilities 0. Then assets is equal to assets is equal to A is equal to L plus C. Same 4 lakhs is equal to 4 lakhs. We'll total it also. Balance. Assets 4 lakhs. Liabilities 0. Capital 4 lakhs. Right. Next date is 2nd September. Purchased building 1,80,000, paid 1,20,000 at the spot. Rest were notes payable. So he purchased a building 1,80,000. On the spot he paid 1,20,000 and 60,000 he told that I will pay later after 6 months or 9 months, 10 months like that. He told like that. Okay. So what he purchased building is 1,80,000. Cash earlier he is having 4 lakhs. Out of the 4 lakhs he paid 1,20,000. Cash is 2,80,000. Liabilities. Building liability is how much? Liability are notes payable, bills payable, bills payable. Amount is 60,000. Capital 4 lakhs. So look at here, 1,80,000 buildings plus 2,80,000 cash. Balance amount is total. This is 1,80,000. This is 2,80,000. This is 60,000. This is 4 lakhs. Total amount is 5 lakhs, 4,60,000. This plus this. Okay. Next to 3rd September. 0309. Right. Purchase furniture 1,60,000. Building as furniture newly purchased. Furniture amount is 1,60,000. Building same 1,80,000. Cash amount we will find cash how much. So building as stage amount newly furniture purchased 1,60,000. 60,000 were paid. So cash amount here it is 2,80,000. He paid 60,000. Then the balance cash is 2,20,000. Right. So bills payable amount is out of 1,60,000. He paid 60,000. Bills payable amount is 1,60,000. Capital is capital 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs. Total 5,60,000. This is 380 plus 180, 5,60,000. Okay. So now 4th one onwards, we change method. We will write headings, assets. We will write methods, liabilities. We change method, capital. Right. Then the date is 4th September 0409. Okay. 4th September, what he did? Purchased stationery for 40,000. Stationery 40,000. And previously purchased furniture 1,60,000. Building purchased on 2nd September. Building 1,80,000. Cash old balance is how much according to the 2,20,000. Out of 2,20,000, he paid 30,000. 30,000. So present cash available is 1,90,000. Right. Liabilities. Bills payable. Bills payable amount is previous bills payable, notes payable is 1,60,000 plus 40,000. Out of 40,000, 30,000 were paid 30,000. Balance amount is 10,000. So due amount is 1,70,000. 1,70,000. Capital is 4 lakhs. Right. So I will change this color. This is color 2. And for understanding, better understanding. Okay. Assets and liabilities. Liabilities. And this is capital. Capital amount is capital. So what is accounting equation? Accounting equation is assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. Right, we will equate and let us try this. Now total, look at the assets amount is 5,70,000 is equal to liabilities amount 1,70,000 plus capital amount 4 lakhs. Same. Okay, that is accounting equation. Okay, right. Then coming to the 5th September, I will copy for you. You have to write all those. How I am doing the 4th September and 5th September, you have to do again. Okay? 5th September. September 5th. Right. What happened? Purchased land 1,40,000. One land is purchased. Land amount is 1,40,000. Out of which 1 lakh were paid. So earlier cash amount is how much? 1,90,000. Cash amount is 1,90,000 and we paid 1 lakh amount for land. Then the balance amount is 90,000. Balance amount is 90,000. Look at only 5th September. Okay, 1,90,000. So bills payable, balance amount is payable, later means bills payable, liability amount is old liability amount 1,70,000 plus newly paid amount is 40,000. Newly liability is 40,000. Total amount is 2,10,000. 2,10,000. 2,10,000. Capital amount is same. You see, 6,10,000 assets. 6,10,000 assets is equal to liabilities 2,10,000 plus capital 4 lakh equal. Okay, students, look at the sixth bank loan. And Ravi? Hmm. Hmm. ఉంది రవి అది. సరే. 6th September. I am copying here. You on your notebook it is not possible. You have to write all those. On my computer I can change the date, but on your notebook you can't change. You have to repeat all those. Right. What is telling? Received a bank loan 4 lakhs. So loan is liability. Bank loan. Bank loan is 4 lakhs. The total amount is 4 lakhs. Right. Now we received a loan from banks. So our bank account will increase. Bank account by 4 lakhs. Look at our accounting equation is tallied with assets LO is equal to liabilities plus capital. Our cash balance is no change in cash balance. Same 90,000. Okay, so 10 lakhs 10,000 is equal to 6 lakhs 10,000 plus 4 lakhs. 6th September. Okay, then look at the 12th September. Again repeating the same. You note down one each date you have to write a total all this. And only you can observe what is the change in assets and liabilities and capital whenever for every transaction. 12th September. Then purchased furniture 1,50,000. Newly furniture is purchased. Right. Furniture. Oh, sorry. Furniture is already there. Okay. So furniture amount is old furniture amount is 1,60,000. We purchased newly furniture 1,50,000. Furniture will become 3,10,000. Out of that 50,000 were paid. So we paid cash 50,000 minus old balance is 90,000 minus 50,000 and our balance amount is 40,000. Remaining 1 lakh will be bills payable. Okay, here it is 2,10,000, 2,10,000 plus 1 lakh, 3,10,000 is liabilities. Observe this, liability assets are equal to liabilities plus capital. Okay, and we will put these three items in equation also. Assets 11 lakh 10,000 is equal to liabilities 7 lakh 10,000 plus capital 4 lakhs. 12th September. Okay, and next is 14th September. September 14. We'll change the date. Purchase stationery 1 lakh. So we had stationery of 40,000 plus 1 lakh. We are having 1 lakh 40,000 plus 1 lakh. 70,000 were paid in advance. From bank we will pay 70,000. Bank amount is 4 lakh minus 70,000 were paid in cash minus 70, then 3 lakh 30,000. 30,000 were paid later on, bills paid. This is 3 lakh 10,000. Bills payable for stationery is 30,000. This is 3 lakh 40,000. Look at assets are equal to liabilities plus capital. 1 lakh 14,000 is equal to 7 lakh 40,000 liabilities amount plus capital 4 lakhs. Okay, then come to the 16th September. I hope you are following. 16th September. Right, what happened 16th September? Purchased merchandise is nothing but a stock. Okay, so no change in stationery, no change in furniture, no change in buildings, and newly purchased asset is a stock. Amount is 1,70,000. Out of 1,70,000, they paid 1 lakh. So from the bank amount 310, they paid 1 lakh. Then 230. Right. Balance amount 70,000 is they will pay later. So this amount is liability amount is old 340 plus 70,000. 121, 114. 740,000. Madam? Okay. 5 నిమిషాలు చేస్తాం. Okay. Stationery 1 lakh. Something went wrong, you see. I did a mistake, you can find. 1,40,000, 1,40,000. Purchased furniture 2,40,000. Furniture amount is how much? 16th September. Stock, I think. Furniture 3,10,000 is all. We are doing for 16th September. Yes. Building as is, cash as is, land as is. But stock amount is 1,70,000. They paid 1 lakh. So they paid 1 lakh. It is 2,30,000. This is 4,10,000. Now look at it. Okay. 1,21,000 assets. 121 assets is equal to 8,10,000 plus 4 lakhs. Hope you are understanding, students. I am moving to the another date. So some assets there is no change. I am continuing in next date. They are continuing because those were not sold anywhere. Right. Date is 21st September. 21st September, purchased furniture 2,40,000. Here furniture is 3,10,000 plus 2,40,000. It is 5,10,000. 5,50,000, I think. Out of which 140 were paid. So 2,30,000 is cash. From that 140 were paid, then amount is 90,000. Amount is 90,000. Out of 2,40,000, 140 were paid, then the liability is 1 lakh. Then this amount will become 5,10,000. 13,10,000 is assets value. 13,10,000 is equal to liabilities value 9,10,000 plus capital 4 lakhs. Accounting equation is equated. Okay, right. Next date. Next 20, after 21, 22nd. Sold stationery 1 lakh, received 50,000 at the time of transaction. Stationery value is 1,40,000. Out of that, we sold 1 lakh. So balance stationery with us is 40,000. And out of 1,40,000, we received cash. Cash received is how much? 50,000 received, 50 received, then total 90,000. Liabilities are increased by 50,000. It is 5,60,000. Nine lakh 10,000, 9,60,000, 560 plus 960, 1360. Liabilities, wrong this is, okay? Liabilities were not increased. Debtors were increased. Debtors were increased. Debtors in the sense, they some we sold stationery, and he paid 50,000 rupees, and he has to pay one more 50,000. That's why he is called as a debtor. Debtors. We will, for reference purpose only, I am writing. Stationery, regarding stationery, amount is 50,000. Now it is done. Okay. So just I am explaining once again regarding stationery. Stationery sold is 1 lakh. Earlier stationery is 1,40,000. We sold 1 lakh. Balance amount is 40,000. Okay. And out of that 1 lakh, 50,000 is paid in cash. 50,000 is added. Earlier cash is 40,000 and 90,000. And there is a balance of 50,000 to be received. That's why it is called as debtors 50,000. Total amount of 13 lakhs 10,000 is equal to 13 lakhs 10,000. Okay. Next, after 22nd, 24th September. Colors writing this side I am because for understanding purpose. Okay. Right. So 24th September. Purchased merchandise 1 lakh, 40,000 were paid in advance. Stock amount is we are having stationery only we are having 1,000, cash is 90,000, bank amount is same as it is. Right. Stock amount is a newly purchased stock amount is 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Then stock amount will become 2 lakhs 70,000. 50,000, 40,000 were paid as a advance. So cash amount is 90,000. We paid 40,000. Then our balance will become 50,000. Okay. So balance amount 60,000 will be payable later, bills payable. Old balance is 510 plus 60,000 regarding stock, 5,70,000. 13,70,000. Okay, last transaction. Last transaction, try to understand. Sold merchandise 60,000 on credit. We sold goods on credit. Control C. Right. So sold merchandise 60,000. Our stock is 2,07,000. We sold for minus 60,000. Then our balance will become 2,10,000. Earlier our debtors are 50,000. Now because of stock, they have to pay 60,000. Then our total will become 110. Total is becoming 110. Earlier 50,000 plus present stock debtors is 10,000. Total 1,10,000. Change in assets and liabilities. Okay, students, you try this one. Maybe we will get for 40. Bye, students. I hope you understood well.